Good afternoon. I think till here we have done only one. So, how many of you solved this? We did this part. Now, one more questions. So, I just explain it. Two friends, X, Y, start running and they run together. Okay, anyway, I will wait at least 1 or 2 minutes. So, two friend, two friend, X and Y, start running and they run together for 50 meter in same direction and reach a point. So we can start in any direction. Means we can start in any direction. Like two friends are going toward east. After moving 50 meter, after moving 50 meter, like we have a two friend X and Y. X turn right, so it will be right and run 60 meter. So X is going this direction. By turn left, wait. X turn right and run 60 meter. It will be right and this will be left. Run 60 meter. While turn left and run 40 meter. This is X and this is Y. Then X turn left. So now they are going. He is going to south direction. Left will be this, right will be this, and run 50 meter. 50 meter. Now X is here. While Y turn right and run 50 more meter. So Y is here. This is right. This is left. How far they from each other? So this is the distance. Now very easy. How much this distance? This is 40 and this is 60. So this will be 40 plus 60, 100. Anyone has doubt in this particular question? Anyone? I think it is easy. Good afternoon for everyone. Good afternoon. So I think it is easy question. Anyone has doubt? Good afternoon. Good afternoon. No, okay. We can take one more question. Again, you want me to solve it, or I can start new topic? Can I start new topic, or anyone want me to solve this particular question? If anyone want, I can solve it, and then otherwise we are going to start a new topic. It's still new. Okay, okay. One more topic we have like Venn diagram. How many of you did set did B.Tech or mathematics in 12th class or graduation? That time you have studied one topic. We can say set theory. set theory. At that time might be you have studied union, intersections, all those keyword you have studied, but now we are not going to use these keyword. We are solving set theory through Venn diagram. We are solving set theory through Venn diagram. Okay, now I am just explaining what is Venn diagram. Venn diagram nothing but representation of the set. For example, I can say like we have a set A. To explain all of you, just listen carefully. We have a set A. This set A has a number like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 or 6. This set has a number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We have another set V. Set V also has few number like 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Set A, set B, two sets are there. When I will represent these set into diagram, so what type of, like how I have to make the diagram? So simple, I can say A, A represent set A represent set A, and consider B represent set B represent set B. I can make okay, set A and set B. Okay, we have a number like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 4, 5, 6 common. So 4, 5, 6. We have a number 1, 2, 3, and we also have other numbers. Consider 7, 8, 9. So we have a two set A, set B. Okay. Now, if I will tell like how many total numbers are there, how many total numbers are there in set A also and set B also? How many total numbers are there? All of you are understanding? We have a set A, we have a set B. In set B, few numbers are there. In set A, few numbers are there. If I will ask you how many total numbers, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So I can say total number is 9 only. Total number is 9 only. No. 6 is not total number. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Total number is 9 only. If I will say the number, total number is 9 only. How many numbers are there in set A? Set A, how many numbers are there? 6 number. How many numbers are there in set B? I can see, I can take one more number here. I can take 10 also. So all of you will understand. How many numbers are there in set B? 7 number. Something all of you are understanding? If I will add set A and set B, so set A plus set B, it will be 6 plus 7, 13. So I am getting some different number. If I will talk about total number, they are 9. When I talked about total of set A and set B, it is 13. It simple means that some of the numbers are common between set A and set B. All of you are getting it? Some of the numbers are common in set A and set B. Some are only set A. When I talked about, like consider, I am telling you only set A. Only set A, how many numbers are there? 3 numbers. Only set B, how many numbers are there? 4 number. Both set A and set V. How many numbers are there? 3. Acha. Whatever I have explained, total number now 10. Now because I have taken one more, total number now 10. Now total number 10. 10. Whatever I did till now, anyone has doubt? Whatever I did till now, anyone has doubt? Okay, so I will just create one question, like what type of questions UPSC is asking. Consider example. In a party, in a party, there are 10 people. There are 10 people. Uh, there are 10 people. 6 people prefer tea and 7 people prefer coffee. So, how many people? How many people prefer both tea and coffee? In a party, there are 10 people. In a party, there are 10 people. 6 people prefer tea. Okay, 6 prefer tea. 7 people prefer coffee. Okay, 7 prefer coffee. And so, how many people prefer both tea and coffee? Number one. How many people prefer both? Both tea and coffee. Number one. How many prefer only tea? How many prefer only coffee? How many prefer at least, at least, how many prefer at least coffee, at least coffee and tea? Okay, so getting something. Question can be like both. How many like both like tea and coffee? How many like only tea? How many like only coffee? How many like at least tea and coffee? We should use a, no, you can use if you're master on that, like if you did like maybe BTech or MTech or BSc or MSc, you prepared for IIT, so it is good, you can use union and intersection. But for general purpose, the student who are not aware of like union intersections, I am solving the questions through representation, like through diagram way. Okay, now this is the questions we have. Now, so how many peoples prefer tea? Tea prefer how many? 6 people. How many people prefer coffee? Ah, coffee? 7 people. How many total people? Total 10. In a party, there are 10 people, total 10. Okay. If anyone get any doubt, just ask me. Okay, we can use this also. Not very good. Oh, leave it. Total T, we have a set A, we have a set B. This is A, this is B, this is common G, this is N. and the people who do not like either A or B. So what would be A? A would be A plus G. What is the value of B? B will be B plus G. What is the value of A plus B? It will be A plus 2G plus B. What is the value of total? Total will be A plus B plus G. Okay. A plus B plus G. Even if N is there, so we will add N also. Okay. So we have somehow, and only A will be A. Only B will be B. And both A and B will be G. Till here, anyone has doubt? Whatever I have discussed, I have made this diagram because I have given you a basic understanding how set theory is formed in Venn diagram. So we have set A, set B. How we say A plus B is 13 and total and 13 both are different. Sir, N means the people who do not like tea and coffee. N is the people don't like don't like tea or coffee, and they are not part of this set. They are not part of this set. If still anyone has doubt, you can ask me, and then I will proceed further. I will just take a few more dimensions. If still anyone has doubt, you can ask me. Just one thing, I am just one thing done. How to use. Okay. What is about in this both? Both mean the people who will like tea also and coffee also. How can we use union? Why to use union and intersection? Other students are not able to understand. Union means the combined. Intersection means only. So no need to think that way. Very simple way. A. A plus G. A plus G, this circle. The people who like tea. A plus G is this circle. A means this is the formula. Here we are going to solve actually. So we have A, we have B, and we have C. So we know that A plus B plus C equal to 10, equation number 1. And we know that A plus B equal to 6 and B plus C. Like I have used here G. So all of you want, I can use G also. Otherwise, some will ask by A, B, C. So A plus B plus G is equal to 10 and A plus G and G plus B is equal to 13. Equation 2, it will be A plus B plus 2G equal to 13. Okay. Now equation 2 minus 1. Okay, 1 minus 2, then this will be cancel. So 2G minus G, it will be G, and 13 minus 10, it will be 3. So I got the value of G is 3. If it is 3, it is 3, it is 6. So this will be 4. This will be 3. It is 7. It will be 4. Okay. So the people who like both tea and coffee, both they will be 3. Only tea, they will be 3. Only coffee, it will be 4. Only coffee, it will be 4. At least tea and coffee, So only tea plus only coffee plus both. Only tea, only coffee plus both. It become 10. Okay, so till here, any doubt? Till here, anyone, if you have the doubt, you can ask me. No. Okay. So we have this two set of diagram which I have explained already. It is like total, I can say, which we have discussed already. Total. This is set A. Consider this is tea. This is set B. Consider it is coffee. Okay. This is only tea, only coffee. Both the people who do not like tea or coffee, they are N. So T is equal to A plus B plus C. We have discussed already, or X plus Y. X plus Y we have discussed. A plus G plus B. It will be A plus B plus 2G. Okay. So till here we have understood. Then this is also we have understood, like what is X, A plus G, what is Y, B plus G, A plus B plus 2G. A simple diagram which we have understood. Then okay, just solve the question, and then we will come to three set of the diagram. What is T? T is total. T is total. T is total. T gross total means the people who do not like, we have to include. Rather than using formula, we can add and then subtract. Yes, it is up to you, but questions are not that easy. That's why we use the formula. Okay, I'm not telling ki you have to use the formula. Even once again, repeat please, sir. Once, okay, I will do. So the people who have understood, they have to start to solve these questions. Okay, again I want to explain. Again I will explain. Okay, just 1 minute actually, only 1 minute. Okay, so okay, the people who are not able to understand, they should not be very confused. It is very simple. Believe me, it is very simple. Okay, like as I told, it can be two set, like set A. ये आ रहा है, मेरा ही फेस आ रहा है उधर, तो इसको हटा, इसको बस वो कर ब्लॉक कर दीजिए, मेरा फेस नहीं नहीं चाहिए। हाँ नहीं चाहिए, इधर है, इधर है। पहले तो था ना? नहीं पहले नहीं था, नहीं था, पहले नहीं था। अच्छा अच्छा, हाँ हाँ, वो रिफ्रेश किए होंगे ना? हाँ, तो आपको ये कमेंट्स के साथ ये चैट चैट देखना होता है, चैट दिखाई देना चाहिए, बस फेस नहीं दिखना चाहिए। हाँ। हो गया? हाँ। पीडीएफ को कर सबसे, हाँ हाँ वो ठीक है, 8 बजे तक ये चलेगा। हाँ हाँ हाँ। Okay, so now okay, so as I told, this topic is not very difficult. It is very easy. Consider we have a two set, set A. set B. Okay, to set, once again repeat, rather than using formula, can we add? No. It will help in a simple question, but in difficult question we cannot solve. Okay, we have, like, we can do that also. We can do that also, but sometimes questions will be difficult. Okay, once again. Okay. So set A, set B. Consider, I am considering in set A the people who like tea, the set B the people who like coffee. For example, I am telling you, when we are making the diagram. So we have to make a diagram. This is set A and this is set B. Consider, if total people are tea, some people like tea, some like coffee. So I am telling you, the only tea, the people who like only tea, they are A. The people who like only coffee, they are B. And the people who like tea and coffee, they are G. So two things are there. One thing is A plus B plus G, it will be total people. Okay. The people who like tea, it will be A plus G. The people who like coffee, it will be B plus G. So somehow I will get two equation. One equation A plus B plus G. Second equation T plus coffee we have to add. So now it become T plus coffee. It become A plus B plus 2G. So anyway, we have to make a two equation. After making two equation, then we have to solve the questions, and then it become very easy. Hope all of you are able to understand it. Like, we have a tea, we have a coffee, and now consider, if I will subtract, like, consider there are people around 30 people like tea. Okay, 20 people like coffee. Okay, total people are 40. Then how many people like both tea and coffee? So we know that, like, two equations we have now. One is A plus B plus G. A plus B plus G is equal to 40, and A plus B plus 2G, we have to add 30 plus 20 is equal to 50. Equation 1, equation 2, minus 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 minus. So G will be 10. G is 10. 50 minus 40. PDF of this class, sir. Okay, PDF you will get, maybe they will upload it actually. Sir, option of the last question. Okay. So, okay. Now, when I talked about only T, now I have to put this value here. This is 10. Okay. This is 30. And this is 40. This is 10. So, 30 minus 10, it will be 20. 40 minus 10, it will be 30. So, only T, 20. Only coffee, 30, and both, it will be 10. Hope now last line once again. Uh, Last line means now we got, okay, we know that this is tea, this is tea, this is coffee. Okay, one equation, second equation. Once I solve these two equation, I will get the value of G, that is 10. This is 10. Okay, this is 10, and T is 30. So 30 is entire circle. This circle is 30. This entire circle is 30. Out of this circle, this portion is 10, and this is 30. So this will be 30 minus 10, 20. So 20 plus 30, 20 plus 10 equal to 30. Same way, this entire coffee circle is 40. This entire circle is 40. This part is 10. So 40 minus 10, it will be 30. So Ganesh, I think you got it now. So 20 will be only tea, 30 will be only coffee, 10 will be both tea and coffee. At least coffee. At least coffee. So at least coffee, only coffee, plus coffee and tea. Yeah, both. At least coffee in this particular 30 plus 10. Formula both and at least. Ah, that is different. Both, I will come to that question. Still, like I am not, till here all of you have understood. That is my concerns. I will explain you GT means. I will explain that also. Okay, till here you have understood, like this part. All of you have understood. That is main. Okay, fine. Okay. Gross total and total, they just mentioned actually. That is not a problem. We have a gross total, means total value. Then we have a, like consider tea, when we have coffee, and the people who do not like tea and coffee, they are n. So this we can say, in this part we can say total, and this entire we can say gross total. Only that difference. This tea plus coffee part total, and when we take the people who do not like tea and coffee, that become gross total. So gross total again has total plus n value. Okay. We will solve the questions, then all of you will understood. Now, see one questions here. Venn diagram for two set questions. Okay, in a class, all of you will try it, solve the questions, and then slowly I will explain. So in a class, how many students are there? So total students are 100. Total students are 100. 70 passed in physics. 70 passed in physics. So we have a one circle, physics. How many? 70. 60 passed in chemistry. 60 passed in chemistry. I can see that in chemistry there are 60. 10 failed. Okay, 10 failed. 10 student failed. They are 10. 10 failed. Okay. Now, so total 100, 10 failed. So now 100 minus 10. So how many have total passed? They are 90. So this is a diagram which we are going to make. It is 490. So I can say this is A, this is B, this is G. So here A plus B plus C is equal to 100, is equal to 90. Like total is 100. Out of 100, 10 failed. So how many total students have passed? They are 90. Equation 1, A plus B plus G. I am telling G. So A plus B, मतलब A plus G, G plus B. So A plus B plus 2G is equal to 70 plus 60. 70 plus 60. Equation 2. So A plus B plus 2G is equal to 130. Okay. So this is the equation 2 we have. And then A1, A plus B plus G is equal to 90. Equation 1. Okay. 2 minus 1. How you will do? You can do. So minus, 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 minus. These two value will be cancelled. 2G minus G. G 130 minus 90. 90, 40. So G is 40. Now, G is 40. G is 40. Up this entire circle is 70. This is 40. So this will be 30. 70 minus 40, 30. This will be 30. And this entire circle is 60. Okay. This is 60. This is 40. This is 40. So this will be 60 minus 40, 20. So how many of you are not able to understand? Sir, you are. I am very fast. Okay. Okay, I will take a pause. I will take a pause. Okay. Okay. I think how many of you have solved this question? How many of you have solved? Okay. Okay, good, good. Understood, sir. Okay, sold. Okay. Um, okay. Using formula, how can solve some questions? Using formula. Acha, how I am not okay, clear, sir. Sir, please repeat. Could not. Okay, okay. I will explain. The people who have solved, it's fine. The people, the students who are not able to understand, again I will explain. In a class, there are total student. There are total student 100. Total student 100. Okay. Consider this is a class. In a class, here students are sitting. Assume yourself like that. You are sitting, and after giving the exam, examiner come. Yeah, your teacher came, and they gave the result. So they gave the result for, consider, physics, and they gave the result for chemistry. Physics and chemistry. When teacher came here, assume yourself you are sitting in a class of 10th class or maybe 11th class or 9th class. Teacher came. Out of 100 student you are sitting there. Out of 100, 70 have qualified or 70 have passed in physics. 70 students have passed in physics. Sir, please repeat. 70 have passed in physics. Okay. Now again, after physics teacher, chemistry teacher came. When chemistry teacher came, he told, okay, out of 100, 60 students have passed in chemistry. 60 students have passed in chemistry. Okay. Then, okay, it simple means that some have passed in physics, some have passed in chemistry, and maybe some have passed in both physics and chemistry. Then we have assessed that out of 100, 10 students have failed in both the subject. 10 students have failed in both the subject. It simple means that total student who have qualified either in physics or chemistry or both, they are 90. Still you are along with me? Still anyone have doubt? Like you are just sitting in a class. When you have sit in the class, might be you have failed in physics or you have passed in physics, but you have failed in chemistry, and some will be there who have passed in physics and chemistry together. Still no doubt? If still you have doubt, you can ask me. You have to go along with me. How I am explaining, you should be along with me. Then only can we find failed student. No, we will find. We will do that also. We will do that also. Sir, please explain through of the day. Sir, please explain the third third thought of the day. Doubt. Not okay. N is not pass or N is not. No, I am not going that. I'm just telling you. N is not. N is there. This is N. This is N. Now I have to draw one Venn diagram. Okay. Now I have to draw one Venn diagram. This is total, gross total. I can say this is total 100. I have to draw one circle. I can say this circle represent physics. I have to draw one circle. I can say this circle represent chemistry. Okay. Now there will be the student who did not pass. They are 10. Okay. So it simple means that total who passed they are 90. So the circle which we are going to make, the Venn diagram which we are going to make, it is for physics and chemistry. We have to put certain value like only physics A, only chemistry B, both physics and chemistry G. Only physics A, only chemistry B, both physics and chemistry they are G. Okay. Now I have to make two equations. One equation based on total, one equation based on this total. Just without making the equation, I cannot get the value of G. I have to differentiate. I have to differentiate like how I did this. If you understood this part, why I have started from giving you set A and set B. You have to understand here, like we have two things. One thing is the total 10. One thing, total 10, and one thing, total 13. Why these two numbers are different? I know in the Venn diagram why student confused. They confused because of these two different number. One is 10 and one is 13. They are not able to understand the difference. Here I am taking total set A and total set B. I am counting this circle twicely. 4, 5, 6. The number 4, 5, 6 has been counted twicely. Okay, so here I am taking unique, or here I am taking double. That's why this number is greater than this number. Same way, this is 1 or this is second. So we have to differentiate. So when we talked about 90, it is A plus G plus G. Single. I am just taking this one, this one, this one. Single value means A plus G plus B, 90. Now, second equation, how I have to make? I have to take entire physics, complete physics, complete chemistry. It is 70 plus 60. Complete physics means entire circle. In entire circle, we have A plus G. Entire chemistry, we have G plus B is equal to 130. A, G plus G, 2G plus B, 130. Two equation. One equation, two equation. I will take this equation below it. So A plus G plus B equal to 90. I will do minus. You have did in maybe 8th class, whenever we have a two equation like 2x plus 3y equal to 60, 4x plus 3y equal to 20, something like that, minus, cancel. Same thing I am doing here also. So these b is cancel, e is cancel, 2g minus g, it will be g, or 130 minus 90, it will be 40. Now I got one value, that is the g, and that is 40. Physics is 70, chemistry is 60. This entire circle is 70. This small portion is 40. Remaining will be 30. 70 minus 40. This entire circle is 60. This small portion is 40. Remaining will be 20. So this will be 30. This will be 20. 30 is only physics. 20 is only chemistry. 40 both physics and chemistry. Now still anyone has doubt? I think now no one has the doubt, I think. Still any, I am a mathematics student, you explain in the equation are easy. Okay, good. Okay, clear. Okay, everyone clear. Okay, now we are solving this equation. We have solved, just fill the variable. I have filled. This is 40, this is 30, and this is 20. Clear. Now one by one we will see one questions. 11th question. Passed in at least one subject. The student who passed in at least one subject. So at least one subject. At least one subject equal to only one subject. Jot down somewhere. Only one subject plus both the subject. Or plus both the subject. Only one subject plus both the subject. Only one subject means only one subject, only physics plus chemistry plus both subject, both the subject. Okay, so only physics 30, only chemistry 20, both 40. So at least one subject, it will be 90. 90, at least 90. At least means कम से कम एक, ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा दो. Pass in at least one. Total, total minus failure. Who knows? That is also good. That is also. Like we can say that also. Total minus who failed. If you have advanced level understanding properly, we can do that also. Total minus failed. That is also fine. Number 2. Passed in both the subject. The student who have passed in both the subject. What is the answer? I think everyone has to give the answer. No doubt at all. No doubt at all. How to create pool? I will try the pool. Okay, questions. If I am able to make start a pool, normal pool, next for, okay, 1 minute, next answers is, okay, 40D, take answer, student are responding. Okay. Next, past only in physics. Now to very simple. Sir, how the previous? Sir, show the previous slide. This one, huh? Okay, it will take that way. Only physics 30. Okay, good. Done. Mithali, you done last slide? You done, huh? Okay, I should take, I think, 30-second poll only. Okay. Okay. Past only chemistry. Past only chemistry 20. Very simple. Okay, very simple. Past only one subject. Only one subject. Only one subject. Only one subject. Only physics. Only chemistry. Only physics 30. Only chemistry 20. 50. 50. Okay. Able to understand? Failed in only one subject. Failed in only one subject. Failed in only one subject. What could be the answer? 40. Failed in only one subject. Failed only one subject. D. How you are solving it? Failed in only one subject, because the Venn diagram which we have made, it is for past student. We have to make one more diagram for failed student. Okay, just understand. Just again. So we have a class. Again, just listen. We have a class. In class, there are 100 student. So we have a physics subject, and then we have a chemistry subject. Okay, in physics, we have a pass student, and then we have a fail student. Definitely in chemistry, we have a passed student and then we have a failed student. Total pass. Physics में how many students have passed? 70. And how many have failed? 30. In chemistry also, how many passed? We know 60 have been passed. And how many failed? 40. A total 100. Pass 70. 100 minus 70, 30. In chemistry, like you are a class, in sitting a class, 100 student, 70 have passed, 30 have failed. In chemistry, 100 student, 60 have passed, 40 have failed. I am right. Who passed in only one subject, failed in one? Yes, yes, yes. Okay. Okay. So now we have to make a diagram in this student. The student who have failed. I have to make a diagram of the failed student. Okay. In failed physics, how many failed? 30. In chemistry, how many failed? 40. And both the student. Then in 10 failed in both subject. We know this information कि 10 failed in both subject. So 10 failed in both subject. So I can say this is a 10 who failed in both subject, and 30 failed entire physics. So 30 minus 10, 20, and chemistry 40 minus 10, 30. This is the failed student. For failed student. If you have made it, it become very easy. How that is the like if you have like basic mathematical knowledge, then to multiple ways we can solve. I am considering the student who are struggling in Venn diagram. I am explaining how they can solve. So anyway, so failed in only one subject. Failed in only one subject. Failed only one subject. So only one subject. Failed in physics plus failed in mathematics. Failed in mathematics. So failed in physics 20, failed in mathematics 30. So failed in physics 20 and failed in mathematics 30. So total 50 students have failed only one subject. Only one. This is not for, this is a past student. We are making failed student. So not getting. You got this one? Like total failed in physics. Total failed in physics 30. Total failed in chemistry 40. Total failed in both the subject. It is mentioned here. Both the subject 10 students have failed. Okay. Then only physics. Failed in only physics 30 minus 10 20. Failed only chemistry 40 minus 30, 40 minus 10 30. Pooja, now you are getting it. This diagram, you are getting the failed student diagram. Sir, understood, doubt, understood. Okay, yeah. Sir, from starting for failed. Okay. We have a class. We have a class of 100 students. If in 100 students, 70 is passed in physics, how many fail? Total passed student, plus total passed student plus total passed. I'm not getting your doubt actually. Not getting, sir, from starting. Okay, so 70 is passed in physics, 30 fail in physics. As same way in the chemistry also, if 60 passed in chemistry, then 100 minus 60, 40 failed in chemistry. Okay, so now we are going to make a Venn diagram for failed student. Failed student. total pass student. Okay. 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 2-3 questions comes from the Venn diagram. So now Pooja, you are getting the doubt. I think it is solved. Okay. So now, failed only physics. So we know failed only physics 20. 20 failed only physics. Only physics. How many passed on failed only chemistry? Failed only chemistry 30. 30 failed only chemistry. Failed in physics. How many failed in physics? 30 failed in physics. How many failed in chemistry? 40 failed in chemistry. Okay. So now we have discussed till now the two set of Venn diagrams. So what is the difference between failed at least one subject and failed only one subject? So we have a like diagram. I can just explain. The people who like physics 70 passed, chemistry 60 passed, and then we have discussed it came around 40, it came 20, uh, it came 30, it came 20. So we have two terms, at least one, and only one subject. Only one. At least one include only one, only one subject plus both. Okay. Only one, just only physics plus only chemistry. So here only one means only physics plus chemistry plus both. So it will be 30 plus 20 plus 40, and it will be only one subject, 30 plus 20. Hope you are able to understand. Susmita, you understood, I think, both the things. Okay. Now, so till now, what we have discussed, the set, a Venn diagram of two sets. So Venn diagram. So we have discussed two sets of Venn diagram. What we have discussed, like we have a set A, we have a set B, then we have a total, we have a B, G. So two equation we have formed, like A plus B plus G equal to T, and then we have discussed A plus B plus 2G equal to set A plus set B. Okay. Till here, anyone has any doubt? Okay. Till here, what we have discussed? Please again. Okay. So here, what other things we have discussed? We have discussed only set A is equal to A, only set B is equal to B, then both we have discussed G. Both we have discussed C. Failed student, last part by equation. Failed student, last part by equation. Okay, I just create one more question, like why all of you are getting doubt? I do not know. just I will create one question. In a class class of 100 student, in a class of 100 student, okay, 10 student have failed in both the subject. In both the subject, 70 student have passed in physics, okay, 60 student have passed in chemistry. Then give answer of following question. Number one, how many failed only physics? How many failed only chemistry? How many failed in only one subject? How many failed in physics, chemistry? Okay, these are the question. Please again, Drishti. Okay. So now the Venn diagram which we have discussed, for past student. Now we have to make a. Can you explain doubt later? Tell them note down and keep. Yeah, okay. I will do it later also. But now I do not want to leave those student, because I just want to explain one concept that will help the student who already understood. Okay, so now I have to make a Venn diagram of failed student, like total 10 to 100 student. Very simple. Just think about physics, then think about chemistry. In physics, we have like how many passed? 70. How many fail? 30. In chemistry, how many passed? 60. How many failed? 40. So these are the failed student and these are the failed student here. Now you have to just make one Venn diagram. Very simple. Uh, Very simple. Okay. Here, failed in physics, failed in chemistry, failed in physics 30, failed in chemistry 40, and failed in both the subject 10. If total circle is 30, this is 10. So 30 minus 10, 20. Total circle is chemistry 40. This is 10. This will be 30. Okay. Now, how many failed only physics? Only physics 20. How many failed only chemistry? Only chemistry 30. How many failed in only one subject? Only one subject, only physics, only chemistry. 20 plus 30, 40. How many failed? Uh, how many failed in both? How many failed in physics? In physics, how many failed? 30. Total 30. How many failed in chemistry? 40. I think now all of you have understood about it. Okay. Any doubt? I think there is no doubt. Okay, sorry. Slide will be there. If still you have doubt, you can watch this slide. Now, I have discussed two set of diagram. In two set, all of you have understood like total, gross total, only one, only two, both, at least one, at least 1. So at least one, only one, plus both, at most one. At most one will be only one, at most two, at most two will be both plus only one. Okay. Now all of you have understood this part. Now come to three set of Venn diagram. Three sets of Venn diagram. Consider we have a set A. Set A. Victory of women wrestler as a sport ministry suspend newly elected. Okay. Okay, GS current affairs. Okay, we have to concentrate here. All of you are understanding what I am teaching, like what the things we are doing here. It is going good. We have to like we are just continuously studying. We just focus 1 minute. All of you are getting the answers. Okay, so now we are going to discuss three set of Venn diagram. Three set of Venn diagram simple mean like we have a set A. Considering set A, we have a number. Sir, explain at least and at I will do. At least one and at most once I will do. When we will complete Venn diagram, three set of Venn diagram. Set A, we have number like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. Set V, we have a number like 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Set C, we have a numbers like 4, 5. Okay, we have a numbers like 4, 5, and we have a numbers like 4, 5. I can see different way. We have a numbers like 5, 6, 7, 11, 12, 13, something like that. So we have to make a set, like we have a set A, set B, set C. So when we are making the set like that, so what we are telling, we have a number like set A, set B, set A, set B, and set C. So here I am mentioning few number like A, B, C, D, E, F, G. Then again same thing, we have a total. So here when we talked about A, A represent only those number which belong to set A. B represent only those numbers who represent only V. C represent those number who are related to only C. Then D only A and B, E only C and B, and F only A and C, and G belong to all the set. So when I talked about this number, consider we have 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, only 1, 2, 3, only A. Okay, then we have 4, 4, we have a common between B, and 5, we have a all, consider 5 number, and then we have a B. B is 4, 5, then 6, 7, 8, and here 6, 7 is a common. I can say 6, I can say 7, and then I can say 8, 9, 10, and then I can say here no 0, I can say nothing is there. Then I can say here 11, 12, 13, something like that. So here again same thing. Here again same thing in the set. When we are talking about three set, again we have a same thing, like we have a set A, we have a set B, and then we have a set C. Again here we have a total A, B, C, D, E, F, and G. When we talked about total, in total what we have counted here, just A, B, G. Same way when we are going to count total in this diagram, so what we have to count? We have to count total A plus B plus C plus A, B, C, D, E, F plus G. Set A, set B, set C, A, B, C, D, E, F, G, and this will be total. So total will be A, B, C, D, E, F, G. Complete A. What is the value of A? A will be A plus D plus F plus G. This circle, I am now taking this circle. So A will be this circle. ऐसे ही same way we have to take B. What will the value of B? So B will be this circle. So B will be B plus D plus E plus G. Same way, what is the value of C? C will be this circle, this complete circle. I can say this complete circle. Okay, so C will be C plus E plus F plus G. This is equation 1, this is equation 2, this is equation 3. When I will add all the equations together, so it will be like A plus B plus C. Now, if you see A, B, C single time, okay, D, D 2 times, E, E 2 times, F, F 2 times, I can write D plus E plus F and G 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Okay, so this is equation 1 and this is, I can say, equation 4. So in the last, when we have discussed two set, that time also we have make set A plus set B. Set A plus set B, it came A plus B plus 2G. Now we are discussing three set. Here also we are getting A plus B plus C, 2 plus D plus E plus F, and 3G. Whenever we are going to solve the questions in the real exam, so we will make two equations based on total, one equation, and based on this. And then we have to subtract and then we have to get the value. That is the thing. Second thing is, when we talked about only A, so only A will be A, only B will be B, only C will be C. Okay, if I will say at least only one, if I will say only one, only one का मतलब only one means A plus B plus C. Okay, same way only A and B. When I talked about only A and B, in only A and B, so I cannot take G. Because G comes in all the three set. I have to take the value which are common into A and B. It will be D. Okay. Only B and C. It will be E. This is the E. Only, all of you will note down here, because later on you will say, sir, what is only A and B, only B and C, only C and D? C and D, it will be F. Okay, so if I will write only two subject, only two set or subject, whatever, only two subject will be D plus E plus F. This is 1, this is 2. Okay, then only A, B, C or all three. Only A, B, C or all three, it will be always G. If it is 3 set of the diagram, maybe it will be 4 set of the diagram, then we have to see only A, B, C and then finally G. So what we have discussed? We have discussed only A and B and all three. Okay. Now I want to clarify few doubts. Like when we talked about only one equal to at most 1. Only one equal to at most 1. If they have mentioned at most one subject or one set or only one set, it is equal. Only one equal to at most one subject. Okay. Both. Okay, just right. When the question come, I will explain. Okay. Till here, anyone has doubt? It should be C and A. It should be no. Okay, no doubt. Okay. Yes, only one A plus B plus C. At most one A plus B plus C. Now you see the questions. All of you should make the diagram, and then only two set doubt. Only two set doubt. But two set doubt you have. All of you should start to solve the questions. So just C and F, C and F, C and A. I'm not getting what you are asking, Pooja. Just A. Okay, anyway, we will solve the questions. Might be you. It will, sir. At least वाला questions नहीं आएगा. Is three set आएगा आएगा. We will solve that also. No need to worry. First, we will solve the basic, and then I will create myself. If questions will not come at least or at most, I will create. No need to worry. First, we will solve these questions. In these questions, I will take at least one, at least two, at least three, at most two, at most one. Sir, can you show me at least one formula? Can you show me at least one formula? What formula you want me to show? You can, these are the formulas we have. If you want, you can just look it. At least one for, at least one for, at least you are asking me. At least, I will explain. At the end, I will explain. No need to worry. Sir, C and A equal to F. C and A. C and only C and D. Only C. Just C and no C and A. Yes, yes. You are right. This is A, not D. You are right. Okay. Just solve this. So see now start to solve it. Start to make the diagram. I will also make the diagram, and then we will see the questions. In a colony, there are 150 family. Okay, there are 150 family. Fine. Out of which 80 have Aadhaar card. So you have to start to make 1, 2, 3. Not perfect circle. I will try to make perfect one. So all of you have weekend classes, huh? Not weekdays classes. From tomorrow again, work will start. Lot of commitment all of you have. It is very, very important. Like today till 8 o'clock, all of you will study. Okay, and then from tomorrow again, work will start. Good. Diagram is the best way to solve Venn diagram questions. Okay, 110 clock, sir. 110 clock, sir. 11. Tomorrow's timing class. That I do not know actually. Tomorrow class timing. I am just asking. Some of you are very working people. That is 11 o'clock, sir. That is 11 o'clock. That is 11 o'clock. Okay, okay. Morning 11 o'clock work. Tomorrow is Acha, tomorrow is holiday. Good. So we will make the diagram and done and solve the questions. So anyway, we have a three type of set. Like one is Aadhaar card, PAN card, and then we have one more voter ID card. Let's start to make along with me. Who are not able to make, just whatever I am doing, just do it. We have Aadhaar card, then we have PAN card, and finally we have voter ID card. We have total number of people They are 150 family, some Aadhaar card, some PAN card, and some of them has voter ID card. Voter ID card. Some might be do not have any card. Okay, so out of which 80 have Aadhaar card, 80 have Aadhaar card, 70 have passport, 70 have passport, 60 have voter ID, 60 have voter ID, and those family which have only Aadhaar and voter ID, only Aadhaar and voter ID, only voter ID and PAN card, and only PAN card and Aadhaar card. So they are 10. So it simple means it is 10, it is 10, it is 10. Okay, this is A, B, C, this is G. So A, B, C, I can say this is D, we have discussed E, we have discussed F. Okay, 10 do not have any card. 10 do not have any card. The total who have the card, they will be 150 minus 10. It will be 140. Till here, anyone? Any doubt? So we have to make two equations. Just remember one thing. We should make two equations. One is based on total. One is based on total set. One is based on total. One is based on total set. So how to make equation? One is total. Total. Total will be A, B, C, D, E, F. It is 140. Equation 1. And D, E, F कितना है? D, E, F plus G. So A, B, C and D, E, F we have discussed 10, 10, 10 plus G 140. So A plus B plus C plus G equal to it will be 30. 30 minus 140, 110. Equation 1. One equation. Second equation based on Aadhaar card plus PAN card plus voter ID card. Aadhaar card we have to add like A plus B plus C. Then 2 D plus E plus F. Then 3G, and it will be 80 Aadhaar, 70, 60. So it will be 80 Aadhaar, 70 and 60. 80, 70, 60. 80, 70, 60. 80, 70, 60. Equation 2. Till here, how to write 140? Because total is 150 family. Out of 150, 10 do not have any card. So total will be 150. Okay, so A plus B plus C, it will be 2. DEF 10, 10, 10, 30. 3G, just add this value also. It will be 210. 2. So A plus B plus C, 60 plus 3G, 210. And then A plus B plus C plus 3G equal to 60 minus 210. 60 minus 210, it will be, I think, 60, 150. Equation 2. So we have a one equation. Always remember, these two equations you should make. These two equations are totally separated. Remember, one thing based on total and one thing based on total set. Once you make two equations, just take this equation here, A plus B plus C plus G equal to 110. Okay, we can subtract minus 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 this cancel, and 2G equal to, it will be 140 40, and G will be 20. This is the main thing. Like whenever we are doing the Venn diagram, at least you have to get the value of the G. Once you get the value of the G, then we are putting value of the G here, and then it become very easy. Like we have a 3 family, 80 Aadhaar, 70 PAN card, and 60 voter ID, and then we have 20 both. This is 10, this is 10, this is 10, 10, 10, 20, 20, 40, 40, 10, 10, 20, 20, 40, 30, 10, 10, 20, 20, 40, and 40, 20. Once you make it, it becomes very easy to solve the question. I know some of you are not able to understand how to solve the equations. That is more important. But more important is how to make the equation, like how to make these two equations. That is more important. How to make these two equations. Now, one equation is this, and second equation, how to make. This is more important. Once you make the equation, it become not understand. I know, but sir, it is time consuming. You want to be IS officer and just in 2 hours you just have to solve 28 plus questions in 2 hours. To solve 28 questions, comprehension will take very less time. In 20 minutes you can complete all the comprehension part. Getting my point? And once such type of questions will come, at least they will give 2 to 3 questions. It is not only one questions you are getting. You are getting at least 2 to 3 or to 4 questions. So after doing all those things, once you do all those things, you are going to solve 4 questions. Single questions 2 minutes, 4 questions 8 minutes. Even you are doing this in 8 minutes, that is worthful actually, because exactly you are getting the answer. That's why many of the student who failed this time, I know some of the student, they were qualified from the IIT also, they have failed in the CSET. So that's why it is not easy also. Getting my point? No understand, Madhuri. But sir, okay, the subtract part at the end again. I will explain. I will explain that. I will explain. How to make two equation? How many of you are able to understand how to make these two equation? One is this and second is this. Subtract part I will explain. How to make first equation, how to make second equation. Anyone have doubt to make first equation and second equation? Remember, formula is not much difficult. Easily you will remember. Okay. How to make as I told initially, when we are solving the Venn diagram, we are solving three set. Always two things are there. One thing is total, second thing is total of three set. When we talked about total in this part, like Aadhaar 80, PAN card 80, 70, voter ID 60. This is A, this is B, this is C, this is D, this is E, this is F, this is G. Total will be A plus B plus C, D plus E plus F plus G. We know that total were 150 family. Out of 150 family, 10 are not part of it. So it become 140. Okay. Till here, please tell me kitne baje tak. We will continue the class maybe till I am exhausted or you are exhausted. No doubt. Okay. Till here. Now, we know that DEF, D equal to E equal to F equal to 10. It is giving in the question itself. If you see, only Aadhaar card, voter ID, only voter ID, PAN card, only PAN card, that is 10. So this simple means that the value of DEF equal to 10 is already given. Okay, so this equation we got A plus B plus C, DEF G equal to 150. Okay, till here anyone has the doubt? Sir, can you give? I will give the break. The people who understood, they can take the break. The people who are not understood, they will just continue with me. I will just complete this Venn diagram, this concept, and I will move on. Otherwise, I will stuck in the Venn diagram only. So till here, The student who are not able to understand, till here it is fine. A plus B plus C, D plus E plus F, G equal to 150. Okay, fine. Goody, what is, like, why you are not getting it? Total 150 minus 10, 140, A plus B plus C, D, E, F plus G. Okay, fine. Now, this is the one equation we are making. Here we have D, E, F equal to 10. So, A plus B plus C, D 10, E 10, F 10 plus G equal to 140. So, A plus B plus C plus G, okay, plus 30 equal to 140. A plus B plus C plus G equal to 130 minus 140 minus 30. So A plus B plus C plus G equal to 110. Okay, one side. It is done. Difficult. Set 3 is difficult. Yeah, please have a. I will give break. I will give break 15 minutes. No need to worry. 3:55. I will give the break. Now, total 3 set. Total 3 set means take all 3 set. All 3. Set A, Aadhaar card. Set a PAN card and voter ID card. All 3 together. This circle take A plus D plus G. We have made now. We have made the formula also. Okay. So it should take 150. No. 10 is not taking any card. Just read this also. No? 10 do not have any card actually. Only 150 family. 10 do not have any card. So 140. That's why I'm taken. My mind will also tired. Like, consider all of you are sitting, just listening, and I am along with you from morning. Maybe from morning I am along with you. Okay, and standing here explaining everything. So concentrate on the class. I will say it will help me actually. Otherwise, same concept. It takes time for me to explain actually. If somebody 10 are 10 are illegal immigrant. That way also you will remember 10 just came from the Bangladesh or Myanmar. We are not considering, we are not giving them any ID card or voter ID card or PAN card. We are not giving them. Okay. Come. So here we have to add all 3. Once we are adding all 3, remember, when we are adding all 3, so we got a formula. Basically, we got a formula that is A plus B plus C, 2D plus E plus F, and 3G. This is a direct formula you can remember. Okay, when we add 3 set together, so A plus B plus C 1 time, D plus E plus F 2 times, and 3G 3 times we have to remember. Okay, now, so here I am writing A plus B plus C plus 2D plus E plus F and 3G equal to, what is the value of A? 80. This is 70 and this is 60. This is 80, 70, 60. Equation 2. So it become A plus B plus C. DEF 10 plus 10 plus 10. 10, 20, 30. 3G. This is 150 to 10. Okay. This is A plus B plus C. This is 60. We can take that size, 210 minus 60. Okay. Then A plus B plus C, 3G, or it is 150. Equation 2. Any doubt till now? I have created 2 equations. One is this side and second is this side. If anyone has doubt, okay. Now we have to solve these 2 equations. I know A plus B plus C plus G equal to 110. Equation 1. A plus B plus C plus 3G equal to 1, how much? 140, 150, 150. 150. 150. Equation 2. 2 minus 1. This is minus, this is minus, this is minus, this is minus, this is minus. This is cancelled. This is cancelled. This is cancelled. 3G minus 2G minus 2G minus 150 plus 110. It will be minus 40. Cancel. So G will be 40 minus 2 and G will be 20. Now this is 10, this is 10, this is 10, this is 20, this is 80, this is 70, this is 60, this is 10, 10, 20, 20 minus 20, 20, 40 minus 80 minus 40, this will be 40, 40 minus 70, this will be 30, 40 minus 60, this will be 20. Complete. Now I cannot explain again. Who are not able to understand still, what they can do, they can watch the video again and they can just try to understand and they can watch the video again. Okay. Okay, now we will take some break. Maybe time is 3:36. We can consider 3:37 around. Time is 3:37, 3:38. So we can take break till 3:37, 3:38, around 3:50. Okay, so we will take a break till from there. We will take a break 3:39 to, I can say, 3:53, something like that. Okay, fine. After break, we will again continue it. All of okay. Okay, fine. Okay, so I have left here. So again, we will start from here. So I completed this Venn diagram, and this one is completed one, which we have already done. So how many family have all three card? I will wait 1 minute. Others will join. Umang sir, we got the value which is 20. How we can get a 40, 30, 20? Is it we had a subject? Yes, yes, yes. Like we have 20, 10, 20, 10, 40, 80 minus 40. We will get 40. 20, 10, 20, 10, 10, 20, 20, 40. 70 minus 40. We will get 30. Like that. Same way, 10, 10, 20. I think now explain one more time. Okay. I think now to all of you understood. I explained this one is very simple. Poor network. Okay, okay, okay. Explain. It will be very difficult for me to like explain a same concept again and again. What you can do, like maybe later on when video will be available, you can watch the, like network connection. Okay, I can understand that part. But okay, simple. You have to make two definitions, two equation, one equation and second one, and then just solve it. Osa, I am telling you, just try to see this PPT as of now. You will understand. You will make one equation simple, and you will make second equation and just solve it. If you solve these two equations, automatically you will get an answer. What answer you will get? You will get G20. Once you get G20, so yes, yes, yes. We will come to questions now. Okay. Uh, Also, just concentrate here. Concentrate here. You will understand. No need to worry. How many family have all three card? How many family have all three card? How many family have all three card? They are G. They are 20. So answers will be G. And the value of G is 20. Clear to all of you? Then, how many family have only one card? Only one. Only one equal to only Aadhaar card, only PAN card, plus only a voter ID card. So only one, only A 40, only PAN card 30, and only voter ID 20. It will be uh, 90. Clear? So now we are getting only one. So only one simple means only Aadhaar card, only PAN card, only voter ID card. So only Aadhaar, only PAN, and only voter ID card will be 40, 30, 20. It will be 90. Okay. Now, next one. How many family have only PAN card? Only PAN card. So this is the PAN card. This circle represent, I can say this circle represent to PAN card. The circle represent to PAN card, and we have to see only PAN card. So only PAN card is 30. So answers will be 30. Only PAN card 30. I can try to. Okay, fine. Then how many family have either PAN card or voter ID card? What does it mean? Like either A or B. Either A or B simple means A or B. We are not going to add, just like I will write either PAN or voter ID. Either PAN or voter ID. It will be only pen plus only voter ID. Either pen or voter ID will be only pen and only pen plus only voter ID. Only, we will not take both of them. Only pen 30, only voter ID 20. It will be 50. If it will be like both PAN and voter ID, both PAN and voter ID, then we have to take both PAN and voter ID. It will be 20 plus 10. Clear? We will not take this 10. It is not either. Either means either you have voter ID or not the both. In either we will not consider both PAN and voter ID. That is not part of either. That is part of and. When we talked about PAN and PAN card and voter ID, PAN card consider. When we talked about PAN card and voter ID, it will be only PAN, only voter ID plus both. Okay, fine. So either PAN or voter ID, it will be 50. Then, how many family have both Aadhaar card and PAN card? Both Aadhaar card and PAN card. Now note, it is not only Aadhaar and PAN card. It is Aadhaar card and the PAN card. So both Aadhaar card and PAN card, both Aadhaar plus PAN, it will be 10 plus 20. Okay, if it is only Aadhaar and PAN card, then it will be 10. Till here, I think no doubt, simple only, but sir, G represent voter. Yes, yes, yes. It does not matter. They are asking, do you have 3 card? You have PAN card, you have Aadhaar card, you have voter ID card. Once someone is asking, have you Aadhaar card or PAN card? What you will reply? You have 3 card: Aadhaar card, PAN card, voter ID card. I will ask you simple questions. Akansa, have you Aadhaar card and PAN card? What is your answer? You have 3. Still you have both, na? So they are not mentioning only Aadhaar and PAN. Okay, fine. Okay. In 2019, UPSC has asked one questions, and I will say all of you will solve very peacefully, and all of you will get an answer, and I will give the time to solve these questions. Okay. In a group of 15 people, 7 can read French, 8 can read English, while 3 of them can read neither of these two languages, and the number of people who can read exactly one language is what should be the answer. So first of all, whenever you solve the questions, you have to make a diagram. So when you are going to make a diagram, very simple way. So we have to make French, then English. So French, how many? French people are 7. English people are 8. And then we have a total. Some 3 of them can read neither of the language. So 3 peoples are there who do not read French or English. So total, gross total, like total is 15, gross total. And after subtracting 3, so total will be 15 minus 3, 12. Till here, anyone has doubt? Like whatever I did till here? Okay, fine. So now, simple. We have to make two equation. We have to make two equation, which we have discussed already. One equation based on total. The student who are not understood, just try to concentrate. We have to make two equation. One based on total, one based on total set. So we have like consider A, B, and G. So one is based on total A, B, G equal to 12. Very simple. A, B plus G equal to 10. Total equal to 12. Equal to 12. Very simple. Till here, any doubt? Whatever I did? Till here, any doubt? The student who are not able to understand, if they have the doubt, you can ask me. Okay. Then total. Total means French plus English, whatever. So French will be A plus G and English will be G plus B, and it will be 7 plus 8. 7 plus 8. So A plus B plus 2G equal to 15. Equation 2. I think no doubt till here. So we have A plus B plus 2G equal to 15. Equation 2. We can subtract minus 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 minus. Then we can get minus G minus 3. So G will be 3. If G is 3, 7 minus 3 it will be 4. 8 minus 3 it will be 5. Then the number of people who can exactly one language. Exactly one means only one language. Only one language. Only one means only French plus only English. Only French 4, only English 5. Answers will be 9. So hope all of you understood it. Sir, how I am able to solve and my answer is also correct. Okay, good, good, good. Good. So the student who are not able to, I think all of you will understood now. I think it is not tough. If you have still you have the struggle, like you can watch once more the video, you will understood it. One more question. 2023 paper. Now UPSC have raised the standard and they're asking based on statement 1, statement 2, like that. And I can say this is the difficult questions. All of you will concentrate and try to solve it. Uh, uh, in a party, 75% took tea, 60% took coffee, 15% took both tea and coffee, no one taking milk, taking tea. Each person take at least one drink. How many person attended the party? All of you should try it and then I will explain. What is the answer? Okay. How many person attended the party? That is the questions I have. I have to give the answer. Can answer can be given while using statement number 1, or answers can be given while using statement number 2, or statement number 1 and 2 alone are not sufficient to give the answers. We have to take both the statement together. And the fourth one is neither statement is enough to give the answer. So what can be the answer of this particular question? D. Okay. Okay. Some of give the time to okay, all of you have seen the questions. I am taking one more slide. So we have tea, one group, then we have coffee, second group, and then we have tea and coffee. So one So question, so we have tea, we have coffee. Tea, 75 people drink tea, and coffee, 60 people drink coffee, 15 people drink tea and coffee both. So only tea will be 75 minus 15. 75 minus 15, it will be 60. 60 people drink only tea, and 60 minus 15, it will be 45. 45 drink only coffee. And one more statement they have mentioned: no one taking milk take tea. The people who are taking milk, they are not taking tea. So I can say this is the milk. Milk and tea are not confined or not contacted together. D, as it is known, if those who take milk took tea. Okay, don't jump into the conclusion immediately. We have to give the time to think. We have to then. This is the information which has been given. Now, here we have a question. Question is, how many people have attended the party? That is a questions I have. Statement number one. Statement one says 50% took milk. 50% 50% took milk. Okay, 50% took milk. Now we have this information. If I am putting 50 here, if I am putting 50 here, so I do not know, like we have this one. Consider we have a 60 coffee. This side we have 40, and this side we have 50. But what about this information? Without having this information, we are not going to get to solve these questions. Consider like that. Just if I will say this is X, okay, this is X, in between this is X, okay, only milk, I am telling A is only milk, and 45x, it will be 45x. Getting my point? Now if I will put this information, like I can say this circle, this circle, this circle, okay, like 60 plus 15, okay, then 15 plus 45 minus x plus x, and then x plus a equal to, it will be 75, it will be 60, it will be 50. So x cancel, okay, and somehow we have a two variable and same equation. Equation is one, variable two. Okay, two variable. I am telling you x plus y equal to 5. For example, if x plus y is equal to 5, I cannot get the answer. X can be 1, y can be 4, x can be 2, y can be 3, x can be 3, y can be 2. So I am not going to get the answer. So statement 1 alone cannot give the answer. Fine. Okay, now option cannot be 1. Statement number 2, what it is telling? Number of person who attended the party is 5 times the number of person who took milk only. Okay, fine. We have milk only A. If milk only A, simple means that the total person will be 5A. Total person will be 5A because milk is A. Now second statement. Okay. Now again, we have this one, this one, this one, this one. Okay. Now we have total, like we take two things now. Now we are taking the total one. Total one is 60 plus 15 plus 45 minus x plus x plus a equal to 5a. x cancel, 60, 60, 120 plus a equal to 5a. 5a minus a equal to 120. 4 equal to 120. A equal to 30. When I put the value of a, I am getting the total. Total is 5a. Total is 5a. The value of a is 30. So 5 into 30, it is 150. So by using either alone, by using both the statement, by using only one of the statement alone, only one of the statement alone, by using either, note, the answers will be no, just wait. While using only one of the statement alone is sufficient, question can, okay, this will not, we can give the answer both, no, only one, by using either, no, answer is a. Hope, how many of you understood it? I think it is saying okay, so answer is a. This is one of the, this is difficult, but if you have decent practice, now very simple, very simple. If you see, very, it is not much difficult. 75 people, 60 people, 15 people, 60 people, 45 people, and this is tea, this is coffee, this is milk. Okay, this is x, this will be 40 minus x, this is a. So first is not giving the answer because two variable x and a. Now they have given a. If it is a, it will be 5a. Now we can get the answer. We can see this again. I will have to see this again. Okay. It is cancelled already. 45 minus x means, I am telling you, I have to assume something now. This is milk. This is x. Coffee and milk. If it entire is 45, remaining will be 45 minus x. Something I have to assume. I cannot leave the blank actually. I cannot say that okay, 45 is 45 people drink coffee and milk also. So how many drink the milk? I have to take a common. Okay, I think it is done. One more simple topic we will start, blood relation, and I feel that is the most simplest topic. Till now we are doing some difficult, hard one. All of you, sir, how we can go? It is mentioned. It is mentioned. Second statement: number of people who attended the party is 5 times the number of person who attended the milk. If A is only milk, who attended milk only, the total will be 5A. That's why it is giving. So total T is 5A. Here it is mentioned A. I have just used the basics which we have discussed. The formula which we have made. Okay. Okay. Now once again, all of you will try these questions. Okay, and then we will start one more very simple topic, blood relation. I can say this is most simplest topic, easily we can do. So blood relation. Okay. While solving the questions of blood relations, we have to take certain symbol. For example, whenever I am telling this symbol represent couple. Consider if they are mentioning A is wife of B. So A is wife of B. Simple means A is wife of B. In this way I will draw. Whenever I am using this symbol, simple means the relations represent husband and wife. weightage of each section, can you give? I will tell you at the end. I will tell you at the end. I will tell you where you have to focus more, where you can focus less. Like in the mathematics number system. Number system is the area where you will give maximum importance, and then a small topic like average, percentage, mixtures, allegation. But most of the time to this number system. Okay, in LR reasoning also I will tell you. I will tell. Okay, when I am telling you this symbol box, you can use your own symbols also. Box represent male people, circle represent female people, single line represent बहन भाई siblings and siblings. Okay, and this line represent next generation. So anyway, while using these symbols we have to make a family tree. Okay, we have to make a family tree. Once we make a family tree, our questions become very easy to solve. Okay, sir, can you provide your okay, I will provide. I will give my email ID if you want. Okay, if you have doubt, you can ask me. Tyagi, Tyagi, Himanshu 626 Gmail. Okay, it's fine. But if I am not able to respond, it means simple means that I am not looking. Maybe whenever I will look, I can respond. So we have couple, we have male, we have female, we have siblings, then we have next generation. Okay, now we have to make a family tree. 6 to 6. Tyagi dot Himanshu 6 to 6. 6 to 6. Okay. It's fine. It's fine. I am solving all the doubts here. Whatever we are doing in the class, I think that is more than enough to qualify CSET. Believe me, that classes, the notes which you are making for mathematics and the reasoning, that is more than enough. Because reasoning, we do not have enough concept. But in the mathematics, like we have n number of concept, n number of things are there. If we do that, it become very, because reasoning is very like I can just give the idea how to solve. All of you should work actually. But in mathematics, there are many concepts which can be used to solve the questions. Okay, so these are the symbol which we have to use, and certain basics you know already. Like father, I should not again explain all the things. है ना? Father, maternal side, child side, parent side, spouse, siblings, all the things you are aware because you are living in a family. You know who is grandparents, who is parents, who are grandchildren, who are siblings, everything you know. Okay, then now first generation, like consider you, maybe consider you are a male, you are a, you have your own sisters. Okay, then you have your own father, then you have your own mother. Your father also have their father, your grandfather. You maybe have grandmother. So like that we have to make a family tree. Once we make a family tree, like generation of grandparents, first generation who is living along with you, they are the first generation people. Okay, so many of you are lucky whom can see your grandparents or grandmother. Then second generation of the parents, like your mother. Now topic is easy: mother, father, uncle, aunt, father-in-law, mother-in-law. Any doubt whatever we are discussing? I think it is most easiest topic we are discussing as of now. Okay, then third generation, like you sister maybe. Now earlier you were all of you were child, now you become adult, later become parents, then grandparents, then disappear from the earth also. So why to worry a lot? That is the question always I have in my mind. I was child, then maybe grown, so much expectations society has put it upon me. You have to do this, you have to do that. I just try to do everything, and then now I have realized what is the point. After certain point of time certain maybe after 20 year, or maybe 30 year I will be old. Later on I will be disappear from the earth also. So what is the point? We have lot of tensions, lot of things in our life, so a lot of expectations. Are no point. Earn money. Yes, yes, yes. That is a earn money. Money, yes, yes. Money is important. Money is important, but beyond that, what we will do about the money also? So that is the question. Like later, like now, all of you have just graduated, doing graduation, and lot of expectations. All of you have. That is good actually. Become IAS, IPS. That is good. That is good. But I have gone through the journey which you are going, brother-in-law. Brother-in-law is like your sala, means your wife's husband, or your if you are female, your husband brother, your wife happy peace. Yes, yes, yes. So we should talk something also, like from morning we are continuously doing math, or reasoning. Why good gadget with money? Yes, yes, yes. I cannot deny that part also. I cannot. Sir, what are your suggestions for us? What your suggestions for what type of suggestions you want me, like for CSET, for GS? What suggestions? My suggestion of like what the experience I have from my life, I can say that be happy. Be happy. Don't have lot of expectations from yourself. Lot of expectations. Go with the flow. Now maths enjoying. Preparation suggestion. Okay, preparation is okay. In one line, I want to say, I can say that this exam, why people struggle in this exam, in the UPSC especially, because they are worried about the knowledge. They are just running behind the knowledge. So I can say this exam in three part. One, the knowledge. All are my own experience. I am telling you, this knowledge we have to put in our mind. After mind, we have to write the answer in the real exam, maybe 50 pages. I can say maybe 50 pages in just 180 minutes. Extreme difficult. And I have seen most of the student whom I have talked, they have just stuck in this place only about the knowledge. They become knowledge gatherer. And in the era of digital world now, this much information is available. What you will do? You have to think yourself when you are going to write the answers in any particular topic, either 150 or 250 words only. What you will do? Lot of information. There's a no use. So because of this exam needs sacrifice from the life, friends. So how to handle? No need to sacrifice. Go with the flow. No need to. Who is telling you to sacrifice? No need to sacrifice. Sacrifice means I can say different way. I can say different way. You have your own passion, your dream. You are not sacrificing. It has to be part of your life. You have to get up morning, do study, do revision, and do writing. So I can say that lot of students have stuck in their mind here. If I will ask you, all of you, if you have studied the newspaper yesterday, can you give me one heading you remember? And what you have studied day before yesterday? What quality of writing is required? No quality, nothing. Quality will come automatically if you write every day 2 hours. Just write 5 to 6 questions daily basis, automatically quality will improve. Automatically. There's no point. Just read and write. So most of the students stuck to gather the knowledge only. They are not putting the things into the mind. To take the knowledge into the mind, we have to do revision and recalling. That is more important. If you are studying 2 hours, 4 hours, most of the time we have to focus on the revision. Once the things we have in our mind, we have to do the answers writing. So if you are studying 10 hours, just read 4 hours only. Okay. Or maybe 4 to 5 hours only. 2 to 3 hours focus more on revision, and 1 or 2 hours you have to do answers writing, maybe solving prelims questions. Nothing is tough. I'm not going into GS. We have to come to our class discussion. In the mains, do we need to write complete 50 pages? In the mains, do we need to rest complete 50 pages? Okay, come to our CSAT part. That is not my area, but whatever experience I have. So to attend the we attend after the class. It is, I'm not telling you every day you are attending the class. If you attending every day, certain point of time classes will be over. Once the classes will be over, you have to give the time, like 7 hours you are studying class, 3 hours just revise the class only, no need to read anything extra. What is the option? What is your optional? My option was two. First was geography and second was anthropology. Come. Oh, we should not deviate. It is not a GS class, so I have a liberty to just discuss the GS also, but I have to confine myself. Okay, come to this part. Generation 4, your children. Monday to Friday morning. Yes, I can understand. Classes only, holiday we have. Yes. But you have to see the dream. But the dream all of you have to be IAS officer, IPS officer, IRS officers. Still, you are working in maybe some company, IT company. Okay, you have your some future. But believe yourself, or think yourself. Once you qualify this exam, what the sacrifice you did, it will be reversible. Actually, you will feel proud yourself to be a civil servant in India. You will feel proud, that I can sure. I am not telling you are not going to do work. You will do most of the work. Okay, very painful lives. uh, if you have pain now more, life will be very enjoyable later actually. So giving pain to in this time to your life, it will be worth, like in the future maybe you have a more peaceful or more calm life. Okay, son-in-law. दामाद होता है ना, दामाद दामाद बोलते हैं ना, सन इन लॉ means your wife's father. You will be son in law. Women are so intelligent in the blood relation, but men are yes. It is very go inside. It is way to go inside Rajya Sabha. It is way to go inside Rajya Sabha. I'm not able to understand his way to go inside Rajya Sabha. Okay, come. So we have to draw the diagram. I will tell you. Okay, start with the question. Slowly we will solve. Now all of you will enjoy, especially the girls. They know how to what the answer will be. They will give immediate answers now. Like maybe from morning very seriously we are studying. So little funny way we have to study also. Okay, just give the answer of first question. Sister, देखो. If anyone is not able to solve these questions, I will explain. Otherwise, I will move to next one. Now, my time, I will take some rest, and all of you should do the work. I will tell you how to approach also. It is not we. Everyone is like A's brother. A's brother. A brother. A's brother. I'm just telling you how to do. A's brother. A's brother sister. A's brother sister means A's sister. Sister. A's brother sister. Okay. Okay, fine. Okay. Just next one. So how A's mother's husband brother related to A? Everyone has to give the answer, I think. A's mother husband brother related to A. So I can uncle. So A's mother A's mother. A's mother. Husband. Husband. A's father. A's father's brother. A's uncle. Simple. But learn to draw the diagram also. Very simple. I think anyone who is not getting the answer, is still anyone? If it is there, I will explain also. How is A's mother? Like simple one, na? A's mother husband, A's father. A's father brother, A's uncle. Explain once again. Okay. A's mother. A. A's mother. A's mother. Mother's husband. Your mother's husband. Your mother's husband means your father. Your father's brother. He will be your uncle. Who asked uncle? Shahid, you got it? Shahid. Shahid. Okay, fine. Second one, A's mother. A's mother. Husband. A's father. Father's father. A's grandfather. Grandfather's wife. A's grandmother. Understood? Grandmother. Simple, very simple. Like you can solve without drawing the diagram. But who is uncomfortable, they can draw the diagram. Otherwise, so just parallel you can go. A's mother, mother's husband, A's father, A's father's father's, A's grandfather, A's grandfather's wife, A's grandmother. Very simple. Still anyone is there who is not able to understand? I can again explain. Okay. One more. A's brother, sisters, mother's, husband's, father's only son, only son's only daughter. Related to A. Just solve. All of you will try to solve it. I will also explain. A's brother, A's brother, brother, sister, sister, mother, A's mother, mother's husband, A's father, husband, father's, A's grandfather, A's grandfather's only son, A's father, A's father's only daughters, A's sister. Only, uh, only daughters, A's sister. Sister. Okay. Still anyone has doubt? Cousin nahi, sister. Cousin means like you are not connected directly. Maybe your uncle's children, your maternal uncle's children, your aunt's children. We are not talking about it. Maybe in your case it will be cousin, but sir, give me time to solve. Okay. I will give the time. Okay. Okay, I will give the time. First, then you. Okay. How to retain things? Revision. Revision, recall. After reading, just recall. If you are studying 60 minutes, simple, very simple. Study only 40 minutes. Think about 10 minutes and write in your rough pages again 10 minutes. This is the formula you have to follow. Read 40 minutes, think 10 minutes, and the rough page again you should write. Lunch poll. Okay, I will. Later relationship. Uh, Last relationship, please explain. Okay. Very simple. What the question is telling, just do it. See, A brother. A's brother. A's brother. Sister. A's brother sister means A's sister. Sister's mother. Sister's mother means A's mother. Mother's husband means A's father. Father's husband's father's A's grandfather's only son, A father. Father's only daughter, A's sister. This daughter we are talking about now. Relations to yourself also. Just visualize yourself. My sister, my mother, my mother's husband, my father, my husband, my mother's husband, father, my grandfather's. Okay, think about. If you think, you can get. Not much difficult. Just one more. How is A? How is A's wife related to the only daughter of mothers-in-law of A's son? So यहाँ पे in this question, sir, in the didn't and Susmita didn't understand. No, they have just explained this in different way, just for your own help purpose. In UPSC will not going to give you this hint. Questions can be, how is the only daughter of only son of father of husband of mothers of sister of brothers of A? They have just, you can rechange also, only for your purpose. Okay, like A's brother, sister, mother, husband, father, son, like that. Nothing is there. Okay, it is only for your purpose. Okay, Susmita, I think you got my point. Okay, how is A's wife? So A is male, wife will be female. But now, okay, fine. I'm not going the polity. Okay, I will confine myself. It is not necessarily like male, female. It can be male, female, male. Okay, all of you have studied the polity also, but we have confined our topic to LR. Okay, how is A's wife related to only daughter of mothers-in-law of A son? So A's son, son, mother-in-law means wife, A's wife, mother is A's son's wife, mother. So A's wife is related to only daughter of okay. How is A's wife related to only daughter of this one? So C will be, I think, mother-in-law. Got it? Okay. All of you want to solve first, then I have to give the answer. Okay, fine. I understood. I understood. No. One newspaper is enough. Only important one. Only important things. Only one newspaper which is important and connected to your syllabus. Don't gather unnecessarily information that is not going to help in this exam. only important point which are connected to your syllabus. So reading syllabus and previous year questions are very very important. What questions? Static with dynamic. Yes, 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 okay. Again, I will explain. Two things are there. Age wife means consider yourself. Assume yourself, you as a, and you have your wife. Okay, okay. Then you have your wife to only daughter of mother-in-law of a son. So your son. So you have your son. Your son have a wife. Okay, son's mother-in-law. So son's wife mother. Son's wife mother. Mother's only daughter. Only daughter. And only daughter. Only daughter means son's wife. Means your wife. Means your wife. Your wife, or I can say that your wife and your son's wife, how they are connected. Your wife and your son's wife, how they are connected. How they are connected. How she is connected to your son's wife, or how you are connected with your son's wife. Okay, okay. Maybe I will sit. I will try to sit. In the next class, I will sit. Because I feel more comfortable while standing. If I will sit, I will sleep. Sasuma. Yes, yes, yes. Sasuma. If I will sit, I will sleep. A little confusing. So think again. Think again. Okay, okay. So really, if I will sit, I will become more lazy. I am. All of you are just think, okay, why sir is sitting? Why sir is not explaining the things? So that's why I am standing. So I will be more alert. Okay. Just a little confusing. Might be if you think it is not that difficult, but some thought we have to give. Okay. See, one more question. I think in these questions, answer is not right. I feel the options are not appropriate. We have to change the options. Just check once. All of you will try these questions. I feel options are not appropriate. I never understand, but this time I hope you will understand. No need to worry. Only the practice is needed. Girls can easily understand the relations. The Sasuma or Sasurji, they are talking more. No, mother-in-law, they are talking actually. It become easy for them. It is not like that. I should not be judgmental also. I cannot just say that only girls, even boy can also understand. But girls are remain more in the relations. Again, I am becoming just judgmental. I should not be actually. Sister-in-law of R. P is sister-in-law of R. I think you are right. I think. Or okay, again, such type of question are very easy. Very easy means very very easy. Okay, here they have given the relations. Here they have given the relations like Bhat plus means, Bhat minus means, Bhat multiply means, Bhat hashtag means. So plus means A is wife of B. So plus means A is wife of B. Like that we have to make a relation. Means A is brother of B. So A is brother of B. Like that. Multiply means A is mother of B. So A is mother of B. Like that. Means A is daughter of B. So A is daughter of B. So these are the way which is mentioned here. Again, how to solve? Very easy. It is not at all difficult to solve it. P plus Q, P plus Q minus R. Start from here. What is the plus means? Plus means A is wife of B. Plus means A is wife of B. So P is wife of Q. P is wife of Q. Okay, wait. P is not male, P is female. P is wife of Q. Other topics are done in your batch, huh? Polity, history, geography. All the topics are done. Huh? P is wife of Q. Then A is brother of V. So Q is brother of R. This is the information we have. So how P is connected to R? So P will be R's, I think, sister-in-law. Sister-in-law means in Hindi we call bhabhi. Okay, so I can change one. I can say here just sister-in-law. Options are not working. Ha, see, I am telling you. I told earlier, options are not appropriate. Not Sali. No, 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 no. No, no. Your brother's wife. Your brother's wife. You are maybe say you are male or female, doesn't matter. Your brother's wife. Your brother's wife. Sali means your wife's sister. Your wife. You are a male person. Your wife's sister. No, no. She is male. How is P related to R? No, no, no. How P is connected to R? They are not asking how R is connected to P. How P is female. R, we cannot say R is male or female. R can be female also. R gender is not clear. Yes, yes. Okay, R gender is not clear. Gender is not clear. It does not matter. You are female, your brother's wife. You are male, your brother's wife. So we need. No, no. We need newspaper. No, no. Just read from here. When you start the preparation, read the newspaper. We read newspaper of no 2022. Why you will read newspaper 2022? Isn't brother's wife? Ha, brother's wife. Okay. Some UPSC questions 2022 UPSC has asked. It can be brother in law. No, 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 no. You all of you are confusing. R is can be brother in law, but P cannot be brother. P is female. P is female actually. Okay, just think again. Just calm way. You have to think the questions. You will get the answer. Okay, just let's see one more question. Okay. After that, we have very important topic calendar and clock. They are more important, more interesting also. And this is also interesting, I think. Spouse means spouse, husband, wife. Clearly is not defined who is husband, who is wife, but we can say that spouse is going. Husband, wives are going. Okay. Just try to solve, then I will solve the question. Spouse means husband, wife. Make a diagram, make a family tree, and shall I also solve the question, or all of you are doing? Chalo. PQRSTU, six member of a family. They are six member of a family. Okay. R is spouse of Q. I can say R is spouse means husband wife of Q. We do not know the exact relations between R and Q, but we know they are husband wife. If R and Q are husband wife, okay, then after doing R and Q, see the relations where R and Q are mentioned. U is the mother of T, S is the daughter of U, P P's daughter is T, P's daughter is T, R son is P. Okay, R, son is P. So son means male, R son is P, P's daughter is T. Okay, we have P's daughter, daughter means female, is T. Okay, fine. Then U is mother of T. U is mother means P is wife, U is mother of T. Okay, P is wife, U is mother of T, S is daughter of U. S is daughter of U, S is daughter of U means S is sister of T also. Okay, again R is spouse of Q, U is mother of T, U is mother of T, S is daughter of U. Okay, S is daughter of U, T is daughter, P's daughter is T, P's daughter is T, R son is P, R son is P. There are two couple in the family. There are two couple in the family. So this is the diagram which we have made. Fine. Okay. Now Q is number one. Q is grandfather. We do not know. The gender of R and S. We do not know. Q is grandfather of T. We do not know. Q is grandmother of T. We do not know. R is mother of P. R is mother of P. We do not know. T is granddaughter. That is true. So the gender, the gender of the gender of R and Q, we do not know. The gender of R and Q, we do not know. Okay. Hope all of you will understood it. Okay. Let's see one more question. Try to solve 2022 paper. Very simple, very easy. All of you should try. Very simple. I can say very easy also. All of you should try to solve this question. Okay. D is correct. Okay. Good. Now all of you are getting the answers also. Good. Like sitting from morning till night, lot of commitment, and teaching from morning till night, again lot of commitment. My commitment is different. All of your commitment is different. But both of us have the commitment. Both is correct. Both is correct. Okay, fine. Again, think again. The people who are giving answers A, they have to think again. I can create a poll also. So, okay, how to create poll? Okay, normal. Next, just 30 seconds. See, the who are giving the answers, see, they have to think again. They have to think. Don't we jump into the conclusion immediately? You have to see all the possibility. Gender of Z is not known actually. Is it not possible to get the gender? D, I am correct. Yes, yes, yes. Okay, okay, okay. Fine. Now come to the questions. Consider the questions of two statement is giving. Okay. Question is Z is brother of X. So we have to get like that. X, this relations, Z. Absolutely, he will be male. So statement number one. X is brother of Y. Okay. X is brother of Y. Y is brother of Z. Y is brother of Z. Now, Z can be male or female. We do not know Z is sister or brother. So statement alone is not sufficient to give the answer. Statement number two. X by Z. X by Z are siblings. Siblings means bhai behan. They are bhai behan actually. We cannot say that who is male, who is female. We do not know Z is male or female or bhai or behan. He is part of the siblings. So good, like some of you have given good answers. Good. So B alone is not sufficient to give the answers. Now merge statement number 1 plus 2. If you merge also, even then you do not know what is the gender of D. Means gender of D is not known. Okay. Then both statement are not sufficient. Then answers will be D. Okay. Oshana, just think again. The people who are getting answer A, they have to think again. Okay. Now I am leaving one questions as of now. We will take a break of half an hour, and after half an hour we will start last session. And in last session I will do very important topic. So if you have missed till now, I will say this calendar and clock topic you should not miss at all. Okay, they are very important. So this is the one questions you should try. I think I am leaving these questions here. All of you should try in half an hour. Sir, 6 to 8. 6 to 8. We can leave early actually. Maybe 7:30, 7:40 we can leave. We can start early because today also I have some work to go some out. So okay, tomorrow is Christmas. Okay, so yeah, we will start early and we will see like how much energy I have. Based on that, on how much energy all of you have, we will start early so that we can complete at least two topic. Calendar and clock I want to complete so that we have one more session later on. Okay, on the reasoning. Okay, so I will stop here and one of the question in front of all of you. Okay, and then we will start next topic. I think next topic is calendar. I think so. Calendar we will start. Symbolism is very boring. Like so, we will do at last along with at last, and we will start connect calendar. Okay, fine. So I am going to end the session here. Take a break of at least half an hour, and then we will start next session. Okay. Any doubt till now? Anyone? If you have doubt, you can ask me. Okay. We will start next session. Okay. Last questions is easy, very easy. I can create a pool, give the answers to all of you, so that you will know the answers also. You want me to solve it, or you want me to solve at last? It is all of you actually. If you want, I can solve now, or whenever I will start the session, I can solve. Okay, okay. Just solve it. We will discuss later. I don't want to break. Okay. So I am ending the session here. After half an hour, we will start again.